guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I greet all of you now. When I see the person picture when I put for this platform, I say message to Enogie, may he give Mama Laura freedom to talk. I dey like person when he be say he go like to dey on you. Like this woman, he like to dey on you. She like to free. She don't want make people they push her around. I dey like people like that. Just like me. Me, Wetin I not like for this life. One, I know they like oppression, and I know they oppress person. And I know they push person around. I know they like me person push me around. When it's to talk truth, if I want to talk, no matter how you go home me rich, I must talk. There is nothing when you go fit take cover that truth if I want to talk. Now the same thing now this woman they do. No, I'm not go to see my breast. So anyway, I'm when I love me for Facebook. Yes. That is how she be. You know, that they see person like that. I love somebody when free. I love somebody when if something they heart, he go carry and commode. You know, the person will be say, feel taken. You know, that they see somebody when they feel take something. And a person will be say, if he just see verse, no, there's something will just come up for his mind. Now, person will be say, if you don't like person, he go tell you say, he don't like person. If you don't want follow person waka, he go tell you say, he don't go follow person waka. A lot of things they when Enogie they do, when this woman don't like. And why I say this message go give Enogie. Enogie, don't tell when you did this platform. Now Europe, now you did. Let this woman get freedom of speech. Let this woman be Wetin won't be on her own. Let this woman be madam of her own. Let this woman be herself. Don't try to choke this woman under another woman. No trying is enough. Because you know why? You know, say this thing they come small now, Enogie. If time will come, you will please yourself. And you will please somebody and displease yourself. Let this woman be. All the time, Mama Nora. If the woman want express herself, you know, go let her express. And you yourself, Enogie. You yourself, be yourself. Be a man. This platform, if you like, this Facebook when you did, if you like, try to change person. Try to dey kiss person body. When you not say, crocodile did that person body, you want try to dey kiss her. If you still kiss and finish, you go still reach house. Boil hot water, put salt for inside. Wash that dirty come for your body. Try free this woman. Try let this woman be. What's your problem? Because you know Wetin, one day you go please people, displease yourself. This your house now marriage. Now you say you carry this woman come marry. But today, this woman, you know, let her be. Let her be. I know the kind of person when this person be. You see this woman, she just like me. You cannot hold me for anywhere. Free me. I know they like her. You want to say, hey, lovely, I want to hold you. I don't need them. If you do me something, I just tell you, say, I don't like, no do, I don't need them. I feel cut you off. Then they see somebody like me. If I see you today, I will greet you. Tomorrow, if I see you, I will pass you. Not be say I don't see you, I see you. That time, no one create time for you. Then they see people like that. Let this woman be. If this woman is something day in mind, let her talk her. Now so not they scatter on her house. And okay, why you they always they like to they please people? At the end of the day, you go displease yourself. That house when you did now only you want to date that house with your children, with your wife. Nobody did here. Let this woman talk. This woman, she don't already talk with she want talk. She say she know Infinity Saga. She say that person when you they try to they push your woman under her. He said the time when that woman come Sagaran that year. He said many things when that woman take Sagaran. Now, Wetin Infinity Saga know about her. Are you trying to tell it? Are you trying to, I want to use that English. Are you trying to let people know say this your woman now Ozuo? Do they try to make this woman come be full of herself? What is your problem? This Enogie say you even know marriage. The person when you they try now, to they put roof under your head, which she not go fee put roof under your head. You have not this woman. You know this woman. This woman don't get secret. She don't get secret. There is no word when that woman go talk when it be truth. This woman say no, and this woman say even the writing when she they write, say through that writing she know say this person know and well. I hear say that woman they say the time I never know Infinity Saga before you with this person before una quarrel. Somebody, if he just can't give you information, but una no go tight that time. If you don't, yes, so people they'll just give you information. Finish. Now so they be. All the time, you go be like say they oppress this woman. She's not happy about it. Try. I don't understand. Enogie, if you won't dare on that person, leave your woman. Your woman want free. She needs freedom. She want to speak. She want anything when she want do. She want to do one. She don't need say if I want talk, you will feel the scratchy head. Woman when don't born almost 3 times. Now 3 times now you don't born. No the beer. Igbaha. Now you want to put under her fellow woman. Look, I know, you know well, the Chris, you know your way at all. No say what baba. Only really so doy. Where be who a coriwo. Where be who a way or who a river seminar you want go do wedding. Then other wed dear, where be who other wed. I will remain the vibe near the other wed they could be. The same time we be who even he say I it walk bamu javeja that wedie we be who that wedi ke ejewu it walk banji eyere that do wedi wa wedo who folk receive ke where people dey you carry and go house the day when man they marry a wife now that day the woman they follow the wife now that day wife they follow and they go house. Why is it all the time? No, let this woman express herself. You know, let this woman get freedom speech. You know, let this woman be. You yourself know. Why was on when I fear baby ye? You know, get where fe baby ye be. I just de vedi fanwa no fanwa. De vedi fanwa no fanwa. Let this woman, let her be. I think he's here. Do you understand? All the time. If the woman come and want to talk, you know, let her talk. If you go come on for live video, all these things when they do so. If this woman want to talk, you know, let her talk. Once this woman come on for video now, she will go to pour that anger for you. Yes. You know, say Ebonia Beme. If you don't let them talk, especially Abeme. Abeme, you cannot stop making not talk. That thing go day in mind. And that thing you must talk. maybe if you don't stop her now, make it no express her feelings again, or make she no talk wetin she want talk, then you go carry her, shut her up. I be your husband, be your husband, be your husband, be your husband. I be your husband, be your husband, be your husband. Then they use her till they repair house. You know, those many people, they when their house they spoil. Now outside that, now they spoil most of house. Outside that, light go day inside. One can't go day inside. Show me go day inside. You don't know what they make home spoil. Husband and wife, what they make them they spoil. You don't know say now outside that. Maybe that one will say, see clothes when my husband buy for me, oh, your husband not buy them for you. He go say, my husband not get money, oh. He go say, tell him may buy for you. Why not go give feedback for you? If the woman can't reach out, he go begin to fight your husband. That is it. Outside that, now they spoil marriage. Even if say the man get one kind stupid character, if outside that can't add Jonah, you go quick spoil. The way you are doing it is not good. Let this woman be. This woman now, how old she dey? She be woman of her own. Because in her Facebook, now they can't dey. Yeah? Because they Facebook. You know, let the woman talk waiting. She won't talk. She says now Infinity Saga. The woman when he call in, that one can never tell you say nah him. Person when he know Infinity Saga. Now he as they carry a picture come out. And he say, yes, he's talking. He say when Victor carry the picture come out, because say I will be this person when he carry picture come out. And at the end of the day now, he could be like say, wait till that woman take Saga her that year. Now, through this man, now all those information. Yes, now it take Saga around that year. But that one woman call enter inside your platform. If they say he never know that man that year. Some people dey since when I did this Facebook, that they follow me, can't reach the same account when they open years back. They see they use the account still they comment. May I just talk one commenter that they call him Godwin Rose. Since when that one they follow me, can't reach today. Godwin Rose not they change this thing. And so many people like that. Like the Jamo Jasper. A lot of people will be live video presenter today. Most of them call into live video presenter that year, the time they do live. A lot of them call in. Some of them go put something for mouth, they talk. You know, go no. Let this woman be. Hello, how you do, everybody? Let her be. Let her speak her mind. This woman, she's a woman of her own. I don't even know why they bring this woman down for where that itikun day, that dirty woman. Why even they carry that woman stand, they carry your Mama Laura stand. You don't even know say Mama Laura get height past that woman. Why they reduce yourself, reduce your woman for where a fellow woman day? Now so now they do area we gbuwa. And so that they do it for where you for coin Enogie. Ohun we no neru wa. We can reduce oil and do who we no bare wa. You know the truth, you dey banner. And at the end of the day now, you don't let this woman talk with it day in mind. If you can't off live video now, this woman begin to dey saga you for inside house. They say, oh, we can waste now, because you don't get where you want that word where you want to talk, you don't let her talk, and she don't get anger be that. Once you drop that video, go begin to dey saga you. Yeah, wait, I want to just now, you don't let me talk. Why you they oppress me? Why they do me this one? Why they do me this one? Before you know, una go dey quarrel because of one way. Now Facebook, now we come meet ourselves. We come meet ourselves for Facebook. Person when even relate to you for Facebook, when be say una relate for Facebook. If they watch you now, you know they call in. Una go relate. The person go know you say, this one na my brother. Na my mama senior in mama. They did this Facebook. They look like video presenter in uncle auntie. That they watch them. No matter how that live video go sweet reach, they know they call in. She lie. Now lie, she lie. Now, he say that time say, she felt to say the time when she saga the woman na 2018. Now the woman called us say 2018 stroke 2019. He say she never know that man that time. The man fit give you the information. Now later, now once, now later they know person. If he give you that information, before somebody go give you person information, you know say that person don't they waka follow you. That person want enter you. Now so, now they say now small. Now they take the dance enter inside dance. You know, just the run con, you just run enter inside dance, you begin to the dance. They go ask say this one don't decrease. Aye, egbunu ishan that bishen na avec keshin. He too they talk lie. He just want to defend that man. He just want to defend that man. The person way he know the man, even the girl talk and say, there is some things when this blogger come they talk that time. He resemble Wetin he we can do. You know, there is somebody when be say, you with an waka. As you with an waka, things when you do for a present. If you come, you know people when they there. And you know people when be say, now they there when the time when this something they happen. If you can't talk on, you know go deny like the time when Grace go carry my grandfather house come that time. I know I talk and I say now my girlfriend. And true na she. I no call no that person. True na she. And before she want do that thing, she called me. She say, that woman, one woman that they find you for everywhere. Let us say, wait till they happen. Go tell them, say you know me now. Before you know, it don't go tell them. And the woman, this woman, when they talk, that woman, they follow Grace. As Grace don't disgrace herself now, she don't they follow Grace again. Through that woman, that same woman, I did now when she goes to meet, go outside by me. This person say, everything when this woman take Saga around that time, this man, they are weird. Because now his boyfriend, his ex-boyfriend, now this man be. You know, say your ex-boyfriend, his friend, una they close together. Why did you let this woman speak in mind and let peace reign? Even he say, Finity Saga, na they block una page, oh. Say now they block una page, now they do everything. If now say you say do Saga finish, you go see entire house. Then let the woman talk her mind. Because this Finity Saga matter. Before you go know now, before 2 to 3 days now, you don't come up for Facebook. Then let this woman talk in mind. He say no, I say nah he be. I'll be watching you for I'll be waiting for you, lovely, because of me. Yeah, now tomorrow I will go play. I may already shared this something for my wall. Wait till I'll do play where this woman, where she dey talk, where Enogie no one let her talk. Now there I want play. The rest, I'm not interested. This woman na woman of you. You cannot push this woman under another woman. It's not that possible. It's like you are sweeping this woman under dirty carpet. You work with dirty carpet. It's like you are sweeping this woman under dirty carpet. This woman say you no want. To be frank and sincere, this woman don't like that woman. You no want her. You no like her. You can't force this woman to do it. I don't know. This is your home. You have children. Stay with your children. I don't even know why you find Enogie. I don't know why you even find Facebook friendship. Let this woman be. Let her if feelings. Let her explain the feelings. Abemo. If you want to talk, if you like, keep that matter for in mind. At the end of the day, now you will go, they use until they saga you for inside house. If they gather around for you now, they gather around for you now. You must they follow you after you do this video finish. You must they follow you the quarrel now. I be like say, we vary, we your momo. Don't they do something like this? This is your home. When we talk about matrimonial home, this is your matrimonial home. You let your matrimonial home go back guy. Take rubbish out of your matrimonial home. If you want to be successfully with your matrimonial home, you don't do things like this. Just because of trouble. Trouble, all the time trouble. And the things when these people, they bring on Facebook, no be say, now something when be say at the end of the day, 5,000 euro go reach each other hand. No. A business here where at the end of the day, now don't go 5,000 or 1,000 I reach their hand. No. Let this woman they talk. This woman talk he say na the man. Say no, I say na the man. He say even the time when the man they write. Say some things they when the man they write. Nah, you see they say blah 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 blah. Why you fail as your wife talk say he know this man as a man of the house as you claim. You know even on live video, no na going to explain that thing. There is some things you have to explain to people. There is some things you're not supposed to explain to people. Before you know now, commenters now, they go begin to insult your wife. Yes, they insult your wife. Before you know now, they will begin to insult and that one. The woman when they say this one, and the man can do this one, and the man can do this one, and the man can do this one. You know, say now you deal with so. As now you deal with so, do as it deal with you. And forget all those nyama things. I don't know why whether now we that they call her be waiting that they call her. You know? I know say I get anger for her that time. I know the anger when I get for her that time don't come out from my mind. If not, I foresee they call her that nyama the one that they call her. You know, when person anger don't come out from my mind, I know they beat all those kind of nonsense thing. Let her be. That this woman, all the time, warrior la dian. This woman no go there on you warrior la dian who are petty na yeminare wo momo. You de petan common, mature person. Yeah, you de depress her, na depress you de depress her more. Before you go know now you go come get depression. You de depress in brain. You know go let her talk. This is social media. This is social media. I don't want this woman to explain. Let this woman explain. If you explain and finish, you know they come tomorrow, come explain. I don't say wait till you say you go see come still explain now. Because the waiting that woman take beaten that year. You see person when you go tell the woman. Yes, you see waiting that woman take beaten that year. That woman when if he lie, that woman lie. Now he lie now naked lie. Naked lie. Now ain't her lie be. Naked lie. She too talk lie. Anybody wey go talk say wetin that woman dey talk na truth. You know say that person he no know wetin they do. I talk and do live video. I say that woman platform na platform of lie. People when they go there, then they go enjoy the lie when they lie. And most people know say she be liar. It can't be like say she can't be storyteller. She can't dey lie. Go say, this woman, she never enter, this lie woman, she never enter lie. Me will see story when she go talk. She's a storyteller to people when they watch her now. And she's a big liar. See one lie when you want to wait for a colleague head. He say, why that one husband no enter flight? Now because he hold let that land money. If he enter flight, let that land go no say he don't reach let that land. And which last year, this man enter flight, can't let that land. Why let that land no hold? She lied too much. I don't know why you guys, I don't know why they believe this one. You know what talk ya vano. When she that lie is when she lied that lie 3 days. Yeah. Not be 3 days a day now when she lied that lie. I can't see the reason I say now. Wow. That be say people wait there with this woman. All of them don't know say that platform a liar platform. He say where he has friend, husband, why they not enter flight. Now because the man hold debt for Netherlands. She forget, say last year, the man use flight to enter Netherlands. If now true say these people where they say that they follow and say, all of them not be liar. Therefore, right for a comment say, but this same man now flight now they enter Netherlands last year. Why they no hold on? As she come the light, they go. Now he come to say, now he made them can't use ship. Later now he can't realize say this is lie. This one be they're not going to talk say we catch you. You yourself already know say they catch you. Because they tell say you can't change that because they say document when he go submit if you want use flight. Now they say document now you go see submit if you want use by ship. By sea. Now they say document now you want submit. They can control you for inside sea. They go still catch you. Let that land. And if oh man, this woman they lie sha. I don't know why person when they lie like this, people see they believe how. Person when I can't dislike pass for this life, na liar. You can never, you can never, person when they lie, they know they better. They know they better. If you want come, you go come like, you go collect Gary for your hand. You go say, no worry. If I just come, if I just get one business when I want to do, just carry Gary for your hand. Gary, when you want chop, you will come carry for your hand. No worry, no. Get one business, one go do. I beg, give me this Gary, give me granola, me just so come and see power take go there. Now lie, you just can't drink that Gary for a belly. When you go drink the Gary finish, you don't come on be that. You can't stay for hungry, they wait for and say, you go come replace the Gary. This woman, she's a bloody liar, man. She lied too much. Person when he reach, he dey Holland, he buy house. He enter UK for 1 day. 1 day when they enter UK, let's just say 1 week when they enter UK, she buy 2 houses. Then why not they as on mature so why not they believe lies? As on mature why not they believe lies? Na come abroad, they say travel is part of education. Why you boy why conservative in Nigeria? Why conservative Nigeria? The travel is part of education when they talk, you know they on our body. Too much of fly is too much. Or to I don't know how you people they take that lie. She do they talk lie. She do they talk lie. And before he enter UK, he never reached 1 week. She come buy 2 houses. After 3 years, she come buy this sister Range Rover. After she buy sister Range Rover, as they enter this year, she can't buy house again. Una all they ask and say, where she they see the money? Where she they see the money? Now they ask her. Even that 419 when they prison for Dubai, he don't buy house like he don't buy house like that. He don't buy this thing like that. Lady Range Rover now, they don't see Lady Range Rover again. She they say Lady Range Rover go soon come out. Don't see they gather money when once you go to renter. Why your woman know say that woman, she's a pathetic liar. That is why the woman no want say make you follow liar. Let her be. You this woman self, you get your own platform, you they pack your children, they come. If you want to use your children, they do live video. Use your children, they do live video. They do live video on your own. Then Enogie go they do live video on your own. Else say you go sweep sweep the when they mama Nora hand mama Nora mat you go sweep and enter with mama Nora you go sweep the sweep mama Nora sweep and enter on that red carpet dirty one of that ave mi o wana iwe ge nya o wana na yin aga dodge me o ni agbinwen ni when dirty for your body agbinwen no do wa o yen do wa diku it's enough. Let that woman be woman of your own. If you don't let that woman free, it's no good. You carry her come Facebook as say now you first tell you say this is your fiancé. From your fiancé begin to dey born for you. You know the day when they carry her, they come. You know carry her come say she no go fit speak. Then you waiting for do the time when they do live video. You for no let her they top for your live video. You for no let her they top for your live video. Okay. Yeah, he wanted this person now. He they tell say the time when with a quarrel, he no know Finity Saga. Now today Finity Saga dey Facebook. All of them when we start Facebook, all of the day. All of the day, all the commenter when you see, so all of the day, they know they change their decision. Let's say maybe they go report their account. It's too much. I don't get you know the truth. Why you no want just forget it? You say, okay, we can go on. Oh yeah, go on. Just leave on. If it tough finish, you off this thing. Clear. Okay, you want to explain? Okay, explain. If you explain, the explanation where you go explain, you no go reach 30 minutes, 15 minutes. If you talk and finish, you off this, you now enter house. What is your problem? Why you fool yourself? You know, okay, why they fool yourself? Why you two they fool yourself? Una no they play gay. Now pretend now na day. You know, you yourself know say you with that woman, I know they play gay. Nobody scatter una. Na me one mwe oh he make am mukbang zeva. Na I make the matter dey like that. They use shameless this they take and they rob hypocrite people. Una too dey hypocrites. You are too hypocrites. Let this woman breathe. Or where let the poor breathe. And okay, let Mama Nora breathe. Oh, they say let her talk, let her free. Don't let her no squeeze and put for under fellow woman like her. No put on for that fellow woman like her. True. I gele wegenya wa gele si occasion. I wegenya ari ohoni ari awelare mujawima. They carry Mama Laura say mujawima. You don't know say Mama Laura mature pass her. Mama Laura mature pass her now. See it low, even camera low. If they say okay, mona come wear boba, mona tie egili. Mama Laura still mature pass her. Why can't you let that woman make it do you? Let that woman be. And so na fete do saga everybody. Saga people when you now who fight to now, who no fight to now. So na take saga around because say una no know wetin una wan use una life do hypocrite people. Una hypocrite too much. Let that woman talk. If not that man just I will say no open this thing. Una not just open and I better pass say una talk and reach half. And tomorrow una must talk this matter. Una must finish. And if una not talk and this, una talk and anytime. I bet my people may I leave una make we go sleep for those nyama people. She and Kate Saga. Yes, I don't listen. You know, now the man, the person saying no, only where in your own. And where that way, waiting this woman say she take recognize her. Say the time when the woman never did with Enogie. Say he ex-boyfriend with this man. Say they be friend. And true this man first stay Rome. And Infinity Saga, he first stay Italy. I don't understand. He first stay Italy. Then he say everything when Monica take Saga at that time. He say this man know everything. When Monica want to talk, Monica say no be that time he never know Infinity Saga. Somebody can give you information. When person don't start to give you information small, you know say that person is interested with what you are doing. Now so it take give you that information. You know me say when I can enter GPC, when I can open GPC, it can come. Everybody dey many. You know if he talk and nobody go believe. Anybody won't believe you, that person na fool. They'll say yare be here now today na start to dey carry be here. You when go do something finish, they'll put I with your boy, you with your boy. The last time when they say you swear for your platform, everybody see, even the people when they watch you. Or let's say the one when go talk say they don't know that time. Not only the one when started they watch you last year, when started they watch you last 3 years. Now I go believe say you say now see never dry, fair find your trouble. You forget the time when see never dry come Facebook. You tell see never dry say make it come greet you. See never dry no come greet you. Since then now you saga see never dry. You saga that man for how many? Almost a year, I'll be 2 years. Or your friend, your ex-friend come to say, you don't saga this woman, you don't saga this man, you don't saga a wife, you don't do everything, you don't do. But the day when they say you they curse, you say if you ever go knock for see never dry door, say you use something to swear put. The one when you do years back, you pretend say you forget that one. And the one when you do last year, when see never dry, come they tell you say may you go breathe DNA test. And that's why when you still swear, when see never dry, it dey pay. They don't mention your name. Now you still sad the Saga. I say hona of a boy, ebono or kwanya ekorio. The juju when she dey swear the chop now the juju na dey stuff for belly. Now so one day now all the call muladian. Now Nigeria now they go cure that sickness. I can't do that. I don't say this thing now I do one. I can't dey swear pu say he ain't walk be because otobi ohun or we mu won die so. That no ran won uto. I beg. No get me you get out. If you like tomorrow now, maybe if he call you now and say, "Come Saga lovely," you know say you know they talk now. For where I did no get you know they talk. If they say me they do Saga, I know say my Saga with your I will only one person. I will use until Saga you. You yourself go see and you yourself they talk. Say lovely Kyoya. 2 people go they watch her. Before you know the Saga go spread poof everywhere. No be can't get 50, can't get 1,000 follower. Now they want content no say person they do this. 1,000 follower when you get it, they check inside. Now only 50 now you get sense. The remaining this thing 1, they are useless, they get useless brain. Let this woman be. Let this woman be on her own. All they use, no they use people when they live video, no they use her till they follow her. Free her. If you want to girlfriend, let her make go girlfriend for outside. May go the follow person for outside. Or be people when they Facebook who I tell one time just come out to talk truth, you know they on a mat. I beg you, make now step up. I think so. She was from her mind every day. That's what she did do. She go just go there. She'll first go. She'll just first go there. Go find her. She go take brainwash Enogie. For your mind, you know the brainwash Enogie. You know just that one just like to say, you know just one because we have a when you call where they big call. Now once they take that rope, carry scissors just cut her. Carry scissors just cut that rope. Because if you know carry scissors cut that rope, you go see they inside those nyama. I beg you, that woman went dirty, that poor woman, I poor pass now. I don't even know why you know want to stay your very poor woman. She's too poor. She too poor. That day when she come, when the little quarrel wanna get, he say he help una. I drove them out. Is that not a lie? Person when you never see one-on-one. Which car you take drove them out? Which car? She not just get with it, she want talk. Frustration no good, sha. Instead of that, this woman to stay for Holland, so they manage Holland. Now she carry go. Now go land itself for let down. Today now, she come dey red now. She dey red like tomato. if you use and take cook jollof rice, now that jollof rice go too red. If you see, I no understand whether that one na human being. I no know. All the fit away did this thing, go Snapchat or you go use and take. Am I one? Person go come say now this one na human being. I beg you, make it say bad poverty sticking woman. Person when it come when the place when she for come for let down land, the house, the parlor be like she ran when fire enter. Now they call us say lovely, I get body pass lovely, I get pass lovely. You know, I no want wrong meet you because your area, I no feel resist your area. Cause your place too dirty. Oh yeah, seke. You when no feel reject dirty council house. Now you can't say me with you. You want to come run shoulder with me. If now me, that house I know they carry. If they all carry me, I say no, I don't like it. Really, I don't like it. If you refuse something, before you know, you both go quickly for another one for you. I bring down. Nonsense. Can Laji to talk like? You say the Wetin make her alaribe enter ship go this thing because if she follow air, they go control her for airport. She hold igbese for let that land. Now I can talk for my mind. Say when she go last year, they use flight to enter let that land. While let that land no laribe say if you no pay the igbese finish, you no go come out. That woman to talk like I bet on a good night.